Design WA is a suite of new policies to guide development in our state. State Planning Policy, SPP 7, features 10 design principles that formally elevates the importance of design quality as a key consideration of the planning and development process. It recognises that critical and creative thinking is needed to enhance outcomes as our urban areas grow and intensify. The new policies mean that development proposals will be assessed on their overall performance rather than a checklist approach. This new process gives planners, architects and designers greater scope to offer innovative design solutions that are responsive to their site and context. The first operational document is the Apartment Design Policy, which replaces Part 6 of the R Codes. It provides planning and design guidance for residential apartments in areas coded R40 and above, in mixed-use developments and activity centres.
There are 4 parts to this document. Part 1 establishes the purpose and application of this policy. Part 2 provides the primary controls that relate to R codings for a site. It also provides guidance for local governments that may wish to modify the controls in response to neighbourhood character and context. Part 3 sets out key considerations for siting apartments. This includes analysis and response to site context, interface with neighbours and the public domain, and measures to achieve quality open spaces and optimise residential amenity. Part 4 informs detailed design and assessment of apartment projects. It refers to building form, layout, functionality, landscape design, environmental performance and residential amenity. Engagement with design review is an important part of the operation of this policy, and this is especially critical while all stakeholders become accustomed to the new process. Design review should be a good sounding board for your ideas and choices. You are gaining access to significant expertise and experience, so take advantage of it and consider that support from design review panels will help you justify design choices.
Planners are critical to its successful implementation. Those involved in the assessment of proposals play a key role in determining outcomes in the built environment. Design WA will require us to engage more deeply with the design of developments to ensure better outcomes as our urban areas grow and intensify. It provides a greater focus on assessing a development's performance against design principles and objectives. Of course, when assessing any development proposal, we need to appreciate and balance a range of needs and context, such as transport, environment, parks and surrounding facilities. Often these needs are competitive and our role can feel like a juggling act. Design WA aims to provide a clear framework to help you with the assessment of development proposals against the design principles and objectives.
This performance-based approach supports flexibility and greater creative scope. It is a move away from a checklist deemed to comply approach and requires all parties to engage more deeply with the design of developments.
Design WA will be a great success if we all work together to help improve the design of our built environment.